Want to start using Skip for food delivery, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Skip app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Skip, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Skip at the top. Tap Skip when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Skip. That's all it takes to download Skip. If you're interested in trying other delivery apps, check out our tutorial on how to download Uber Eats next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.